Moods of verb. There are three moods of verbs. The first one is indicative mood, the most common of the verb moods. It expresses statements and questions of fact or opinion. Examples: did she go to her class yesterday? Second, have you finished your project? The second one is imperative mood. It expresses command, prohibition, request, or advice. Examples: get out, please keep quiet. These were your words before entering the room. The last one is subjunctive mood. Verb form used to express a wish, an indirect command, or a condition that is contrary to fact or something that is not true. It also expresses suggestions or demands. Example: I wish Gail were planning to go with us.